Every day, more than 5 billion banknotes circulate around the world, passing through hundreds of hands, folded into wallets, stuffed into pockets, and yet somehow surviving it all. But have you ever stopped to wonder what a banknote is actually made of? Because it's not paper, not even close. Today, we're going inside the facilities where money is made, from the raw cotton fiber to the security features that make every bill almost impossible to fake. Right here, on Stories Behind Everything. Everything begins with an ingredient most people would never guess: cotton. Unlike ordinary paper, made from wood pulp, the paper used to manufacture banknotes is composed primarily of cotton fibers, ground and processed into a thick, resilient paste that becomes the foundation of every bill. The choice of cotton is no accident. Cotton-based banknote paper is dramatically more durable than standard paper, resistant to tearing, folding damage, and the constant wear of daily handling. Think about how many times a single bill is folded, crumpled, and passed from hand to hand. And yet, it holds together. A well-made banknote can remain in circulation for years without falling apart, which is essential for an economy that depends on physical currency moving freely between millions of people every day. After processing, the cotton pulp is chemically treated to form continuous sheets of paper that will serve as the base of every future banknote. But the paper itself is only the beginning. What happens next is where the real engineering starts. To guarantee the authenticity of every banknote, the paper passes through a series of stages where exclusive watermarks and integrated security markings are applied, built directly into the paper itself before a single drop of ink is added. Watermarks are created during the papermaking process, when areas of varying cotton fiber density produce images visible only when the bill is held up to light. Modern watermarks are extraordinarily precise, capable of reproducing detailed portraits or complex geometric patterns that are virtually impossible to replicate without specialized equipment. The paper is also reinforced with security threads, thin metallic or plastic strips embedded directly into the sheets during manufacturing, often visible only under ultraviolet light. These threads add another layer of protection that counterfeiters simply cannot reproduce with standard printing equipment. With the paper prepared, the banknote moves to printing, one of the most technically demanding stages of the entire process. The first technique is offset printing, which transfers highly detailed patterns onto the paper with exceptional clarity. From the intricate geometric borders to the fine background lines invisible to the naked eye. But the most important technique is INTAGLIO. Ink is forced into engraved recesses on a metal plate under enormous pressure, creating a slightly raised surface you can actually feel with your fingertip. Run your finger across the portrait on any major banknote, and you'll notice that subtle texture. That's INTAGLIO. It's not just visual, it's tactile. And it's extraordinarily difficult to replicate without millions of dollars worth of specialized equipment. Many banknotes also use color-shifting ink that changes color depending on the viewing angle. The number on a $100 bill shifts from gold to green as you tilt it, a feature essentially impossible to reproduce with consumer-grade printing technology. After printing, the large sheets are cut into individual banknotes with extreme precision. Every bill must be exactly the same size and thickness. ATMs, cash counting machines, and vending machines worldwide are calibrated to detect notes within extremely tight dimensional tolerances. A deviation of even a fraction of a millimeter can cause a bill to be rejected by automated systems. High-speed cutting machines perform this operation with micron-level accuracy, processing thousands of sheets per hour while maintaining perfect consistency across every single cut. A single production run can yield millions of individual banknotes in a matter of hours. Once cut, the banknotes are counted, sorted into bundles of specific denominations, and subjected to a final round of automated quality checks before being wrapped in transparent sealed plastic packaging and placed into secure transport crates, ready for the most tightly controlled delivery process in the world. The transport of finished banknotes is one of the most tightly controlled logistical operations on Earth. Specially equipped armored vehicles, escorted by armed security personnel, and tracked in real time, carry the currency from production facilities to central banks and distribution centers. Every detail of the journey is planned to eliminate risk, from the reinforced packaging that protects the bills from physical damage to the classified route planning that minimizes exposure to potential threats. Inside the vehicles themselves, environmental controls maintain stable temperature and humidity levels to prevent any deterioration of the notes during transit. It's a level of logistical precision that rivals the transport of gold, because in many ways, that's exactly what it is. The industry is also evolving. Countries including Australia, Canada, and the United Kingdom have already transitioned from cotton paper to polymer banknotes, made from a thin, flexible plastic film. Polymer banknotes last up to 3 times longer than paper ones, are far more resistant to moisture, dirt, and wear, and can be recycled at the end of their service life, melted down and repurposed into other plastic products. They also offer enhanced security, with transparent windows and holographic elements integrating far more seamlessly into the polymer substrate than they ever could into traditional paper. Countries that have adopted polymer currency consistently report lower counterfeiting rates and significantly reduced replacement costs over time. Yet the transition is not without its challenges. Many nations with deep cultural and historical ties to their paper currency are reluctant to make the switch, and the complete redesign of printing processes, security features, and production infrastructure required to move to polymer represents a substantial investment. But as more countries make the leap and the results speak for themselves, the momentum toward polymer is becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. And that's how a banknote is made. From raw cotton fiber, through layers of watermarks, security threads, and holographic windows, printed with techniques that take decades to master, and delivered under some of the tightest security on Earth. The next time you hold a bill in your hand, take a moment to feel the texture of the intaglio printing. Tilt it to watch the color shift, and hold it up to the light to see the watermark. What looks like a simple piece of paper is actually one of the most sophisticated manufactured objects in everyday life. If you enjoyed this episode, drop a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment telling us where you're watching from. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.